Good day, students. My name is Teacher May. How are you today? Great. Okay. Welcome to Sansu online class. Okay. Open your activity book on page 12. Let us answer Unit 1. Again, open your activity book on page 12. Let us answer Unit 1. Instruction. Read and write the true if the statement is correct. False if the statement is incorrect. Okay, number 1. A rucksack helps us to see at night. True or false? False. Very good. We can keep warm with a blanket. True or false? True. People usually drink coffee from a bowl. True or false? False. Very good. 4. We can sleep in a sleeping bag when we haven't got a bed. True. Very good. 5. People usually eat pizza from a cup. True or false? False. We use plate. Okay, let us read and answer. Okay, again. Number 1, a rucksack helps us to see at night. True or false? False. Number 2, we can keep warm with a blanket. True. People usually drink coffee from a bowl. False. We can sleep in a sleeping bag when we haven't got a bed. True. People usually eat pizza from cup. False. Okay, next. Activity book, page 12. Unit 2. Let us answer Unit 2. Again, let us read. Sleeping bag, plate, tent, bowl, cup, rucksack, torch. Okay. Question number 1. Things we can open and close. What are the things we can use, open and close? Sleeping bag, rucksack. Okay? Sleeping bag, rucksack. Water bottle. You can answer also water bottle. Okay, second, things we can use for eating and drinking. Cup and plate. Cup and plate. How about bowl? We can use bowl. Yes, we can use bowl and water bottle. Things we can use for eating and drinking. Cup and plate. Third, things usually used at night. Things usually used at night. Torch, okay? Torch, tent, sleeping bag, or blanket. Again, let us read number 1. Things we can open and close. Sleeping bag. Things we can use for eating and drinking. Cup and plate. Things usually used at night. Torch. Okay, let's go to Unit 3. Which camping things have you got? Which camping things have you got? I've got a water bottle. I've got a blanket. I've got a sleeping bag. Second, I haven't got a mop. I haven't got a mop. I haven't got a sleeping bag. I haven't got a rucksack. Okay? Third, I've got a plate. I've got a plate. I've got a rucksack. I've got a cup. Okay? Okay, let us read. Open your pupil's book on page 19. Again, open your pupil books on page 19. Let us read Unit 13. Where are we? Where are we? It looks like an island. It looks like an island. What's that noise? What's that noise? Again, where are we? It looks like an island. What's that noise? Do you want to find a clue? Here's the first thing you must do. Find a paper to show you the way. Some clever ants help today. Again, do you want to find a clue? Here's the first thing you must do. Find a paper to show you the way. Some clever ants help today. Conversation 3. A clue where in my game? A clue where in my game? Wow! Conversation number 4. Clever ants. Clever ants. Look, they're trying to show us something. Look, they're trying to show us something. Of course, a paper to show us the way. Of course, a paper show us the way. It's a map. It's a map. This is the map. So, where is the lost city? So, where is the lost city? We must come here tonight. We must come here tonight. It's very far away and it's getting dark. It's very far away and it's getting dark. We haven't got a tent. We haven't got a tent. We can make some blankets. We can make some blankets. Put the mop and the tablet into the rucksack. Put the mop and the tablet into the rucksack. Good idea. Good idea. Very good. What was that? What was that? Okay, let us answer the Unit 10. Read and encircle the correct answer. Number 1. Where are the children? They're at home. B. They're on island. Where are the children? A. They're at home. B. They're on an island. What is your answer? Letter B. They're on an island. Second, what are the ants doing? They're showing the children map. They're showing the children the island. What are the ants doing? They're showing the children map. They're showing the children the island. What is your answer? Letter A. They're showing the children a map. Third, where is the map? Where is the map? It's in a tree. It is in a tent. Again, where is the map? It is in a tree. It is in a tent. The answer is A. It's in a tree. 4. Have the children get a tent? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Have the children get a tent? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. What is your answer? No, they haven't. They use blanket. 5th, what do they use to make a tent? What do they use to make a tent? They use blankets. They use mop. What is your answer? They use blankets. Again, let us read. Where are the children? They're on an island. What are the ants doing? They're showing the children a map. Where is the map? It is in a tree. Have the children get a tent? No, they haven't. What do they use to make a tent? They use blankets. Very good. Next, open your activity book on page 15, Unit 9. Again, open your activity book on page 15, Unit 9. Instructions. Correct the mistake and write the number sequence. Again, instruction. Correct the mistake and write the number sequence. Example number 1. The children make a tent with sleeping bags and camp in the forest. What is the wrong? The mistake is sleeping bags. They use blanket. Again, the children make a tent with sleeping bags and camp in the forest. So the wrong is sleeping bag because they use a blanket. Very good. Next. So this is the conversation number 7. B. The naughty ants are trying to show them something. The naughty ants are trying to show them something. The wrong is naughty. So we changed naughty into clever. Conversation number 4. Okay, again. The naughty ants are trying to show them something. The answer is clever. Conversation 4. C. Ruby and Jack and Sophia are on an island. In Sophia book, the answer is paper. Paper. Again, Ruby, Jack, and Sophia are on an island. In Sophia's book, the correct answer is paper. Conversation number 1. Okay, next. They find a photo of the island. They find a photo of the island. The answer is Emma Clue. Conversation number 2. Okay, let us read. Again, the children make a tent with blanket and camp in the forest. B. The clever ants are trying to show them something. C. Ruby, Jack, and Sophia are on an island. In Sophia paper, they find a Emma clue of the island. Okay, very good. Vocabularies for today. Resourceful. Again, resourceful. 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 Resourceful means ability to find quick solutions. An island. An island. Third, ants. Ants. 4, forest. Forest. 5, book. Book. 6, papers. Papers. Okay, again, let us read. Resourceful. An island. Ants. Forest. Book. Papers. Okay, papers. What is it? Papers. This one, what is this? Book. Forest. An island. Ants. Resourceful. An ability to find a solutions in difficult tests. Let us be resourceful. Okay, example. Paper. If we don't have a paper, we can use the bathroom tissue to write. If we don't have a paper, we can use the bathroom tissue. Okay? What can you do to show the value being resourceful? What can you do to show the value be resourceful? Okay, example. You can use a stick to get something out of water. You can use stick to get something out of the water. Look at the picture. Next, you can use the internet to translate any languages. Example, you can translate Thai to English, English to Thai. Okay. Third, you can use to search different languages. You can search, example, you can translate Thai to to English. You can search also any languages. Okay, again, let us read. You can use a stick to get something out of water. You can use the internet to translate any languages. Example, Thai to English. You can use to search different languages. Be resourceful. Let us be resourceful. I want to write, but I don't have a paper. I can use a bathroom tissue. Again, I want to write, but I don't have a paper. I can use a bathroom tissue. Second, I want to drink water in a cup, but I don't have. I can use a bowl. I want to drink water in a cup, but I don't have. I can use a bowl. Okay, let us do, let us be resourceful in making a fire using the stones. Okay, you can watch the example. This is the example how to be a resourceful. We're going to have, this is stone or rock. He's going to make a fire using a stone, okay? Watch. This one is rock. You can try it at home using 2 stones or 2 rocks. You can see there is a fire. See? You don't need a lighter or any lighter gun. You can use a stone. See, there is a light. Wow. He is very resourceful. Yes, there is a fire. So that's the example for being a resourceful. Okay, can you try it at home? Okay, let us review. What is this? An island. It is an island. Next, what are these? They are an ants. Third, what are these? They are papers. Again, they are papers. Read. What is this? It is an island. What are these? They are an ants. What are these? They are papers. What is this? It is a book. What is this? It is a forest. Okay. I don't have a tent. I can sleep using my sleeping bag. Okay, let us be resourceful. Example, I don't have a tent. I can sleep using my sleeping bag. Second, I don't have a matches to make a fire. What is the answer? I can use stones to make a fire. Very good. Third, I don't have a plate. I can eat using a bowl. Very good. Number 4, I don't have a water to wash the plates. I can wash in the river. Again, let us read. I don't have a tent. I can sleep using my sleeping bag. I don't don't have a matches to make a fire. I can use stones to make a fire. I don't have a plate. I can eat using a bowl. I don't have a water to wash the plates. I can wash in the water. Okay, very good, students. Now, make a video clip showing an example being resourceful. Your homework, you're going to make a video clip showing an example being resourceful. This one. What is it? It's a rope. So this is the example how to be resourceful. You don't need to buy a new materials. You can use or you can recycle the other materials. Be resourceful. Okay? So this is your homework. Oh, see? She is very resourceful. I know you can try this at home. So, today, this is our lesson. Let us be resourceful, okay? Goodbye, students. See you next again.